Take a betel leaf and fold its front and back parts. Now add about 2 pinches of carom seeds and 2 cloves. For the cloves, you only need to take the upper part, not the stem, and about half a teaspoon of honey. Now make this pan and place it in your mouth, slowly chewing and gradually swallowing its juice. If there's mucus accumulated in your chest and a cough that won't go away, just try this pan for 5 to 7 days. The pan thins the mucus while the carom seeds help expel it. They aid its removal and honey helps eliminate it at its root. So wake up. There's still time to recognize the power of home-cooked food. Let's do it.